First of all, please check if the router base plate is suitable. If not, you can DIY the blank router base plate 9.8 x 9.8 inches according to the hole position at the bottom of your router tool. Just a friendly reminder, the router base plate has reserved a limit width. You need to cut off the two sides slightly when DIY, to prevent the plate from being clamped in the middle of two rails and unable to move after the installation is completed. Now take out parts bag A. L-shaped plate 1. And 8 wheels. Use an electric drill and a wrench to fix the wheel on the L-shaped plate 1. Take out the parts bag D. And fix the brushes on both sides of the L-shaped plate 1. Now, take out the parts bag B. And L-shaped plate 2. Fix the L-shaped plate 1 and 2 together. Please tear off the sticker on the surface of the base plate. Insert the router base plate suitable for you into the parallel aluminum alloy rails. Place the two aluminum alloy rails on your workbench in a suitable position and keep them parallel. Put the combined two sets of L-shaped plate on rails. And align the bottom of the wheels parallel to the workbench with the edge of workbench. Draw lines on the L-shaped plates and rails to mark the screw position. Take out the parts bag C. Insert the T-bolt screw into the rail and slide it to the marked position. Cover the L-shaped plate over the T-bolt screw and adjust to the marked position. Use a wrench to fix the nylon washer and galvanized hex nut. Take out the parts bag F. Insert the star clamping knob into the L-shaped plate 1. The star knob can be tightened when the sled needs to be fixed. After assembling the router sled, turn it over, slide it on the workbench, and check whether wheels fit the workbench. If it does not fit, make fine adjustments. Remove the router base plate and install router. Take out the parts bag E. Insert the two slider nuts from both ends of rails and fix them with step hand screw to limit the sliding distance of the router. You can use it now.